MrBeast videos break the internet. Insane challenges, giant sets, millions of views. So I tried something crazy. I recreated one of his biggest videos using only free AI tools. No budget, no camera, no team, just AI, a laptop, and way too much time. Here's how I use nothing but free tools to fake a full MrBeast video and actually pull it off. Here's what I set out to do. Recreate MrBeast's Squid Game video with no crew, no camera, and no budget. Just me trying to match one of the most expensive YouTube productions of all time with like zero of the resources. And yeah, I saw your comments. Honestly, fair. The last one wasn't good enough, so I changed everything. New voice, better pacing, more human. But even with all that, the challenge was still huge. How do you recreate something with 456 players and giant sets when you're just sitting at a desk? That's where the free AI tools come in. I needed the full breakdown of MrBeast's Squid Game line by line. So I used a free tool, youtube-to-transcript.com. Paste the link, hit go, and boom. Full transcript, ready to work with. No need to watch the whole thing frame by frame. Now I had the structure of the video, the narration, the pacing, even the order of the games. And that's what made the next steps possible. Step 3, it's voice time. From the transcript, I picked one of the most iconic lines from MrBeast's intro.
I recreated every single set from Squid Game in real life.
That's the energy I needed. But to make it work in 11 Labs, I had to rewrite it just a little. So I dropped it into ChatGPT and asked it to make it V3 ready. Better pacing, emotion tags, more natural flow. Here's what I ended up with. Now for the voice. Technically, yeah, you can clone MrBeast's voice, but we're not doing that. Instead, I explored the free voices in 11 Labs, looked for something with similar energy, fast, punchy, and clear. Tried a few and landed on one that felt just right. It wasn't cloned, but it captured the vibe, and that's all I needed to move forward. And hey, if you're into this kind of AI breakdown, hit like and subscribe. We're just getting started. Step 4, visuals. And this is where things get fun. I took the intro of MrBeast's Squid Game video and broke it down into individual shots. The part I used was, I've recreated every single set from Squid Game in real life, and whichever one of these 456 people survives the longest wins 456 grand. From that, I imagined the shots I'd need. A wide view of the Squid Game arena, a cheering crowd, the red light, green light setup, the giant robotic doll, and players frozen mid-run. Then I opened ChatGPT. For each scene, I asked it to write a cinematic prompt that I could copy straight into Google Veo. It gave me things like ultra-wide drone shot of a colorful Squid Game-style arena with dramatic lighting and cinematic depth, or hundreds of contestants in numbered tracksuits cheering, captured with an overhead camera move. I dropped those prompts into Veo and just let the AI do its thing. Sure, I tweaked a few, changed lighting, added motion, tried different angles, but the results? Way better than I expected. Scene by scene, I rebuilt MrBeast's video using nothing but ChatGPT prompts and Google Veo. No sets, no film crew, just free tools and a little prompt engineering. Step 5, time to pull it all together. I used CapCut. It's free, simple, and works perfectly for this kind of AI project. First, I dropped in the voiceover from 11 Labs. That gave me the timing for everything else. Then I added the Veo 3 video clips, scene by scene, right where the narration called for them. I trimmed some parts, slowed a few down, added motion blur and overlays to keep it smooth. CapCut also let me sync sound effects and background music. That's what really made it feel like a MrBeast video. And just like that, I had a full cinematic scene made with AI, edited in CapCut, and styled to match one of the biggest YouTubers in the world. Here's a quick peek at the results.
I've recreated every single set from Squid Game in real life. And whichever one of these 456 people survives the longest wins 456 grand. The first game we're gonna play is red light, green light.
So, was it perfect? No. But that's not the point. This entire video, from voice to visuals to editing, was made using free AI tools. No crew, no budget, just ideas and a little time. And if I can fake a MrBeast scene in a weekend, just imagine what you could do with these tools. If you want to see the full AI recreation, or want me to try another creator, let me know in the comments. And hey, if this helped or inspired you even a little, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.